So today we are headed to Hot Springs Off-Road Park, doing a video shoot, photo shoot thing for Zone Off-Road and S3 Motorsports. We brought our 2022 Ford F-150 with the 6-inch Zone suspension lift on it, and gonna do some filming, I guess. I don't know. They said come to Arkansas, so here we are. So we'll see how this goes.
I can definitely check that for you. I think you said I could do it.
On site right now, we are at the Zone, JKS, and Crawtech photo shoot in Hot Springs Off-Road Park. They're currently down there doing some stuff with the Jeeps that obviously we're not going to take part in the trucks. Luckily, they picked us to put the dirt bikes in the back, so we kind of get some extra cool footage for everybody. We've got, I guess, a long day. There's going to be a lot of shooting, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures. We got some really cool trucks out here, dirt bikes, side-by-sides. And we'll be here pretty much all day working with them and doing whatever they want us to do. So we're pretty much hanging out and waiting while the Jeeps go tear their stuff up, and we just sit around and look pretty.
And you'll see all this footage in 2 months.
Yeah, and we've got a whole whopping 2 months before we can post anything. So by the time you see this, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year,
It'll probably be Valentine's Day.
Yeah, we'll get there eventually though.
Yeah.
We'll slip y'all some sneak peeks.
Hey, I just called the record truck.
We rolled your truck down a mountain.
They told me to take a right, and I thought, but he motioned left, so I
He
went left.
did do that earlier. Earlier, he was telling the guys, he was like, go left. He was like, you go left and I'll go right. I think everybody knew what he meant. But yeah, so we're just hanging out in between shoots right now. Turns out me and Grayson had to act. That was not in the briefing email, but it worked. We didn't drop any of the dirt bikes out of the back of the truck. Put a lot of faith in us. They were just like, hey, if y'all don't mind, get the bikes out of the back of the truck. Like, oh, uneven ground with 2 bikes. I don't know how much they weigh because we didn't put them back there. Uneven ground and a crappy ladder. They're like, yeah, just get them out real quick.
And straight mud.
Yeah.
That's why I was worried when I was walking that I was just going to slip and fall.
Yeah. I was like hitting the front brake and like it's still just sliding out the truck bed because it's wet. Video shoot's going good. I think might sell the shop.
What?
And pursue my acting careers. My favorite ones are the ones where there's no audio, because I can just say off the wall stuff anyways.
The most unhinged thing you possibly could.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know these guys' styles. I don't know if it was like too aggressive or just say things that'll make you smile.
Like when we told the front desk man at the hotel.
Smile. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna tear my ACL today.
I'm gonna break my neck.
Smile like the guy at the Mexican restaurant last night. You good? Yeah.
Yeah, y'all are good actors.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
I should have volunteered 3. When he said how many are going to be the shot, I should have been all 3.
Hey, I'm a behind the camera type of girl. I'm not in front of the camera. I told him that.
I should have been like all 3.
I can only imagine. Like,
what would I do?
Just stand there and look pretty.
No.
I had no idea like, if they would have said in the email, like, you're going to be acting.
They literally told you how to dress for being in front of the camera.
I thought it was going to be like a background thing. Like, just that way nobody looks weird in the background.
Yeah.
But they said, like, I mean, instead they've got a guy in khakis riding a dirt bike. So I think they were comfortable. I wasn't about to go buy hiking boots just to come out here like the one guy.
You refused to even buy flannel.
Yep, didn't do that either. I didn't even have to tell Grayson the dress code, though, because I was like, that's pretty much what he's going to wear regardless.
I would have worn my hiking boots if I would have known, but I got the New Balances on. They don't help because they're flat on bottom because they're clapped out.
Clapped out.
I'm recording.
Okay, sorry. Playing reels back there. I turned it on.
That's kind of every time it pans to Grayson, he just does a cute face.
So, stepped on the gas.
Let's not go forward right now.
I think we're done for the day. We did some rock crawling in a Ford F-150. I don't know, it feels pretty good right now. Commercials, and like at the bottom it's like, do not attempt professional drivers. We are those people right now. Yep, we are the professional drivers. It was rough. I'm not gonna lie.
2 out of 10. Don't
everybody's
recommend.
backs are tired. All the drinks are good and shaken. It's been a long day, but it's been fun. They've had some cool, a lot of cool footage to come. I feel like we got some for ourselves, but also with Zone JKS, we got to act a lot. But then we got to not act and actually help people rock crawl. So that was pretty cool. Definitely didn't know what to expect, but overall I had a pretty fun time. They definitely have some good camera people out here and some good products, even though some of them are not made for rock crawling, but they did anyways. And I think we'll be able to make it back home pretty well off. Don't recommend rock crawling with airbags aired up on the rear. That we briefly tried that and that was miserable. Yeah, but it's been a long day. We've been here for like 9 hours, and all we had were some snacks. Well, we had Domino's. They did get us Domino's.
Hey, got us thin sliced.
Yeah, ready for dinner, ready for a nap and a shower, and hopefully I can continue my acting career because I feel like I've caught the helmets good. Grayson threw them to me real nice and just went flawless. Had some good action shots, ready to see my debut at Hot Springs Off-Road Park. So who knows? You may be seeing a lot more of me.
Catch him in the next
as a stunt
commercial.
Stunt double for helmet catching. If anybody needs helmet catching, I'm your guy. And offloading dirt bikes, have a lifted truck on level ground. We're your people. But that's it. Hopefully we make it back home. If we break down the side of the road, y'all will know about it, I'm sure. That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Tired of y'all.
I quit.
Also want to thank RT Gilbert for letting us use his beautiful F-150, and I promise we will clean it and we'll take care of it. We'll put all your stuff back on it too. They had us take some parts off for the videos, but thanks for letting us borrow your truck, bud. We appreciate it, and thank you for all the support. Be sure to go find him on Instagram at RT Gilbert, whatever his thing is called. We'll tag him. Yeah, we'll tag him. Huh?
You can like put his name, but you
They'll
can't.
find him.
We'll put his social media information
We
down.
will put his profile right here. Is that? Don't they do that?
I can do that.
Yeah, we'll put his profile right here. Gotta find him.
I just want to be able to link it.
She will show a picture of RT Gilbert.
I will insert a picture of
Insert
RT.
RT Gilbert here. Yeah. Oh. You know who's even more ready to get out of here? The Dodge.
That man's gonna need new ball joints, new drag link, new
What?
tie rod with them high offset wheels.
Oh yeah.
Every rock is just
Yeah. Luckily we rolled on some 20x9 plus one, so everything was relatively tucked in. So I don't think we'll have any rock chips or anything like that.
Northeast knows how to get the fitment right.
That's what we do. We build good-looking trucks that are somewhat functional. You know, I'm not a big 14 wide fan. That would have gone well, but
Is that what Daniel has?
This is a yeah, Dan. Pretty sure that's what Daniel. Did not build his truck, but no, this is what we build trucks for. I mean, this thing's a daily driver back home and
Rock crawler
and a
by
rock
night.
crawler when he's out of town. You know.
Okay.